Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by writing ebooks. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for a way to make some extra money? Or maybe you're looking for a way to work from home? Either way, writing ebooks can be a great way to achieve your goals. In this video, we'll talk about the benefits of writing ebooks, how to choose a topic, write and edit your content, format for publication, and market your ebook for maximum success. We'll start by discussing the benefits of writing ebooks. The biggest benefit is that you can make a lot of money. If you charge just $2.99 per download, and you sell 1,000 copies, that's $2,990 in your pocket. And there's no limit to how much you can earn. Another great benefit of writing ebooks is that you can work from home or anywhere else in the world. You don't need to commute to an office or deal with coworkers. You can just sit down at your computer and start writing. In addition to making money and working from home, another great benefit of writing is that you can help people. By sharing your knowledge on a particular topic, you can make a difference in someone's life. Next, we'll discuss how to write an ebook. First, choose a topic that you're passionate about and that you know others will be interested in reading about. It's also important to choose a topic that you feel confident you can write about extensively. Once you've selected a topic, you can create outlines. Then start with your introduction and then move on to each of the topics in your outline. Write as much or as little as you want on each topic. Just make sure it is informative and well written. After writing, comes the editing process. Make sure to proofread and edit your content for grammar and spelling errors. It's also important to ensure that your content is well organized and easy to read. Formatting your ebook for publication is also crucial. This includes adding images, adding a table of contents and creating a cover for your book. Finally, we'll talk about how to market your ebook. The first step is to create a sales page. This is the page on your website or blog where people can learn more about your book and decide whether or not they want to buy it. To create a convincing sales page, start by writing a compelling headline that accurately reflects the contents of your book. Then, write a short description of what the reader can expect to learn from reading your ebook. Be sure to mention any unique selling points or benefits that your book offers. Finally, include an eye-catching image and an easy-to-use buy button. Promoting your ebook is just as important as creating it. Some effective ways to promote your book include writing guest posts on popular blogs. Creating social media accounts and sending email newsletters are also effective methods for promoting your book. Another way to promote your book is by creating video trailers or other forms of multimedia content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the Earnings 101 channel, and visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money online.